Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing your video and any transcript into Final Cut Pro. This saves time when creating captions. Once done, organize clips into a single project timeline and enable roles so captions can be isolated. Make sure timecode display is on so you can match lines precisely. If you have a pre-built SRT, import it now to skip manual entry. Otherwise, prepare the transcript in a plain text editor for copy-paste. These steps set a neat foundation for accurate, editable subtitles. You'll add a caption track from the Captions browser and select the format that fits your delivery platform. Once placed, scrub the timeline and split caption clips where speaker changes or pauses occur, then drag their edges to sync timing. This is how you ensure readability. Edit each caption's text and assign the correct role so exports stay organized. If on-screen elements shift, use position keyframes on the caption generator or move the entire caption clip to avoid overlap with graphics or lower thirds. You finish by choosing how to export. Embed captions in the video or export an external SRT/MCC file. Select the option that matches your delivery requirements. After exporting, test the file in a media player and on the target platform to confirm encoding and placement. If captions show timing drift or missing lines, reopen the project, check your timeline frame rate and timecode offsets, make small timing adjustments, then re-export. This quick verify and fix loop prevents release day caption problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.